Tell me, what are you doing?
I'm playing.
What are you playing? Look at Dada, yaar, when I'm talking to you. Huh?
My mom.
Where's your mom?
Yo.
Where?
Yeah.
What did you have for dinner?
Rice and yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yeah.
Look at Dada.
Okay.
Where do you live? Come on, tell me. Where do you live?
In Dubai.
In Dubai. Where is Dubai?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Here. This is Dubai. Oh, and do you wanna go to USA, America, or do you wanna go to India?
Yeah.
India. What are you gonna do in India?
I'm going to play
Play with whom?
with Dubai.
With Arjun Bhai.
And
And then
then matter with cream.
Monish Masa will
With cream.
scream. Why? What about Chalan Masi and Ameya?
We are going to Turkey.
You don't want to go to America?
Now,
Why?
in few days I go to America.
What?
In few days I go to America.
In few days you'll go to America.
And I'm doing this.
Yeah, don't do that. You'll spoil your game. Listen, look at me. Look at me.
These are the tires.
Okay, I'm not recording.
Because
I'm not recording. You look at me first.
I'm looking at you.
You're not looking at me, Aro. Yes, look at me. Now tell me that which school do you go to?
I go to Montessori.
What's the name of the Montessori?
I didn't go to Montessori. And right now I go to New School.
But which school? What's your name? What's the name of the school?
Montessori. But I cannot go because I need to go to the new school. I'm going to a new school.
Really? And what are you going to do in the new school?
Play with with my friends.
With your friends?
Imran is going to be there. Kyla is going to be there. Rian.
Yeah, then who else?
Then Imran.
Ali Abbas will be there?
No.
Why? You don't like him?
No.
Why?
He will be a little more.
He's small. Oh, what are you doing?
Roland will be there.
Huh?
Kyla will be there.
Do you like Skyla?
No.
Then whom do you like?
She come in my class.
She comes in your class? And whom do you like? Do you have any girlfriend?
Yeah.
Who?
Hello, Kyla.
Only Skyla? Only one you have? Oh. What about Dia and Tia?
Tia. When I go in the old school, I meet Tia.
Yeah. And who was your teacher in your old school? Do you remember her name?
Huh.
What?
Teacher Ruth.
No.
Teacher Ringy.
Yeah. Shamal, we are waiting for them. Look, house hai. Let's just give them a call. And then what else? Okay, can you sing me a song? Can you sing me a song? Arav, can you sing me a song, please?
No.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, sing me that song.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One I got a just like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again.
Wow, Bachi.
8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10.
Don't switch off the lights. I'm recording. Otherwise, it won't come.
It will come.
No, it won't come. I'll have to switch it off. Okay, I'm switching it off. Okay, then come here and sing a song nicely.
Happy birthday to
No, not happy birthday. Sing some other song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Come on, sing a song, Arav.
Happy birthday to you. I'm singing my song.
Sing another song.
No.
Please. Sing another song, please.
No.
Huh. Okay. Okay, I'm switching it off.
No.
up the pillow. Dwanet, ee baddu feka fek.
Arav, pick up the pillow.
Stop, Dwanet.
Okay, Arav, pick up the pillow, please. Please.
I cannot.
Why?
Show me.
I'll show you. First, pick up the pillow.
Nowhere.
What? No way.
Nowhere.
Come on, pick up the pillow.
Yeah.
Pick up the pillow. Okay, don't pick up. Don't pick up.